I'm Kathy McCurdy, and I'm the Director of Features for the San Diego Film Commission. The San Diego Film Commission is an economic development program, and we are funded by government and by the San Diego Tourism Promotion Corporation to attract all kinds of entertainment industry product to the San Diego area. So we're going to be attracting television, movies, music videos, anything that will bring money into the economy, including hotel room nights, local hires, a tremendous amount of secondary spending. And then we actually facilitate the permit process. So we take the burden of work off government. Probably the most challenging film request we've had was when we needed an actor to bungee jump off the Coronado Bridge. And what we found over about a 10-day process was that involved at least 15 different jurisdictions. So we had to bring all of these people, all of these government entities, all of these agencies together at the table, present the scope of the work, address the concerns, address the liabilities, make sure we had all of the safety, law enforcement personnel assigned to manage it and control it, anticipate any problem, and make that happen. But again, 15 jurisdictions, when you're dealing with bureaucracy, government, or regulatory agencies, that is never an easy task, but we pulled it off. When someone thinks of San Diego as a filming destination, we want them to know it's going to be a very easy process, and it's going to be very streamlined with very little paperwork. So first and foremost, we need to have insurance that names all of the government entities as additional insured. That addresses the risk management and the liability for anyone to be on that public property. So we would need insurance that names the City of San Diego, the County of San Diego, the Port District, and the San Diego Film Commission as the permit agency as additional insured. Once that insurance is in place, all of that public property opens up as possible filming locations. The primary purpose for insurance requirements is a mystery to a lot of people, and I confess insurance in general can be a bit of a foreign country. You're walking in different territory. But when you look at the reality of a group of people, vehicles, and equipment going into a natural environment that they need to control, that they need to manipulate, that they're going to have a tremendous impact on, you're affecting everyone else's everyday life. And there's always going to be the opportunity or the chance that something's going to go amiss. So the insurance is there in place to guarantee that that risk management is evenly handled by everyone involved. The insurance requirements for filming have a professional standard that's been established. And at this time, it's $1 million per occurrence, general comprehensive, usually with a $2 million aggregate. That's the very basic requirement. And it's been considered through every government's risk management department. And sometimes we look to the major cities or the major states or historically what has been required, and again, match that professional standard. Well, there are times when we do require higher limits. And interestingly, the studios automatically provide a higher level of insurance. Every major studio already has a $5 million coverage in place. And that's because they're bigger budgets, they have bigger stars attached. Their liability, again, has increased across the board. So they know that and they bring that to play immediately. But once we've read a script and have sat down and analyzed or evaluated the scope of a project, we then are able to go back and say, you know what, we have helicopters in the scene, we have automatic weapon fire, we have pyrotechnics, we're blowing up a car, we have chase sequences on city streets. We're going to need $5 million or perhaps $10 million. We think it's important to recognize that the entertainment industry creates one of the top 5 exports of the United States. And isn't it smart for San Diego to have a piece of that pie? So we're doing everything we can to attract the industry here, to benefit hotels, local infrastructure, support services. And the other half of that is we're supporting the local businesses. We have over 50 local independent production companies that reside here in San Diego. Some of them are single proprietorships or mom and pop companies, but they are here doing business, and that's a very important component of who we support. It is a local industry that can grow, and we just want everybody to know that.